Hello guys, this is Maricel and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I would like to share on how to bake white loaf bread using an automatic bread maker machine. This is the bread pan, and this is the kneading blade, and we will put this one inside before we start. So this is now the ingredients. We have the 350 ml of lukewarm water. We have the 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we have 2 teaspoons of salt, and we have 1.5 teaspoons of yeast. I'm using this yeast, guys. And we have 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then this is a 500 grams of strong bread flour. The first thing we do is we're gonna put the yeast. But there are 2 ways to put the yeast, whether you will use the yeast dispenser in the bread maker machine, or you can dissolve it in water. What we are doing now is we are dissolving the yeast. Then we will put the oil. This is an olive oil, guys, but you can use sunflower oil or a melted butter. It's up to you. Next is the sugar. Then we have the salt. So all we have to do is to dissolve, and then after we're gonna put this one in the bread pan. And then next to that is the 500 grams of strong bread flour, and I already sifted this one, guys, so I will just put this one inside. So this is now ready. I'm gonna put this one in our bread maker. So this is now our bread maker. All we need to do is to put it inside. You see? Okay guys, we already put the bread pan inside, and we are about to cook our white loaf bread. First is we're gonna press the menu. Since the menu for baking white loaf bread is number 1 and we are in number 5 now, we need to try to press it again and again until such time number 1 will appear. Okay, this is the menu that we are going to use, and it tells us now the hours for the bread to cook is 4 hours. And then let's press the size. This one, I am baking a large one, and then I want the crust of my bread to be just light. You can see there. We have menu number 1, the size is large, and the color of the crust is light. And now we press the start button, and okay, that's it. Okay guys, our bread is already ready, so let's open. But before that, we need to press the stop button, and we will try to open it. So this is how it looks like. Okay, lovely, smells good, perfect. Now how it looks like. There. But if you turn this one here, okay, this is the mark of the kneading blade. You remember? We put kneading blade in the middle of the bread pan. So this is now the mark inside. That's why we have a hole there. But it's lovely. I love the crust. So this is now your homemade white loaf bread using the Panasonic automatic bread maker. So it takes 4 hours, but the actual time for baking is only 50 minutes. The 3 hours and 10 minutes was spent for resting, kneading, and rising. For the whole process, it takes 4 hours for the basic white loaf bread. But one thing I would like to share to you guys, that once you baking already, put the bread pan there and you start cooking, avoid opening the lid. As possible, we will try to maintain the temperature inside, because if you happen to open it, there is a tendency that your bread will be deformed. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye bye.